In the video, Coal Burning the Future, there are many different values and steps into the process, and there are many different scientific beliefs as to why people think coal should still be one of the main power sources. Coal is a power for almost over half of the electricity in the United States. Most of the coal is mined out, and such as strip mines, and is mainly famous in the Appalachian area, including West Virginia, where over 20,000 tons of coal are extracted each day. And in this region, it is the main source of power for these people. Excuse me. No one has ever discovered an alternative to coal. It is very natural, and it has many causes and effects to it. Many people do not like coal because of the minerals and exposed chemicals it can lead into the water for people, which can be very damaging and cause many issues for people, such as liver failure, gallbladder removal. There are many different steps to the process of burning coal. There are turbines, generators, many silos, and powder and fans that are blown into boilers to help generate heat from the coal as well. This also raises a question about the land and the region and the people of the Appalachian future, because many people depend on this, and technologically the scientific world is starting to go a different angle from that. An alternative to coal could be more cleaner coal, but the way the process it is and how it is extracted allows for many different processes, and it can be an unpopular opinion to some. The Appalachian Mountains, like I said, are one of the biggest for this, as it's where most of the coal in the country comes from because of the mountainous regions. There are many different types of mining, such as mountaintop mining and strip mining, which each have their own distinct differences. There are many different diverse ecosystems in the Appalachian that circle around the process of removing coal and generating it for power for those people. One of the main things that people get from coal is burning it to steam, which is used for power for many buildings still today. And it can create a lot of political issues, whereas some people think it is very harmful and affects the environment in many negative ways, but also people believe that it has very positive benefits to these people in these environments. Many questions come about when it comes to talking about coal, such as the land that is being extracted, meaning that there's a lot of demolition and a lot of explosions, which cause a lot of problems for people, especially here in Eastern Kentucky, because I know myself, many people rely on this type of coal. It is a hard process where it takes days, months, and years to extract the coal, and with that amount of coal being extracted, people tend to raise the question that is there going to be enough in the future? And in my opinion, I do believe there will always be enough coal because of the natural resources and the way that the land is shaped, especially in this part of the country. However, other sides and other parts of the country where the land is very flat and surrounded by water use many different techniques to generate their power that may be more economically beneficial to the environment. And these processes with coal, especially coming from West Virginia, have arisen many questions between people in the scientific communities and how this problem can be protected in the future.